The following is a Hennessy Hendo production. It includes excerpts and material from my vast collection of books and general knowledge. My collection spans many centuries and millennia. I upload as I have time, but the sheer volume is just so immense. It would do the people of the world good to listen to some actual classics or educate themselves on all manner of topics from fictional books to philosophy. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.
As of November 28, 2024, several countries have enacted or proposed changes to their military conscription laws. United States. In June 2024, the U.S. House of Representatives passed a provision in the National Defense Authorization Act, NDAA, to automatically register men aged 18 to 26 with the Selective Service System. This measure aims to streamline the draft registration process, ensuring that all eligible men are registered for potential conscription. Ukraine. In May 2024, Ukrainian lawmakers approved a bill allowing the military to recruit prisoners, excluding those convicted of violent crimes or serving sentences longer than 3 years. This legislation, pending President Volodymyr Zelensky's approval, could mobilize an estimated 15,000 to 20,000 prisoners to bolster Ukraine's defense forces amid ongoing conflicts. Additionally, in April 2024, Ukraine lowered the conscription age from 27 to 25 and removed certain draft exemptions to increase troop numbers. This adjustment reflects Ukraine's efforts to strengthen its military capacity in response to the ongoing war with Russia. In July 2023, the Russian State Duma raised the maximum conscription age from 27 to 30, effective January 1, 2024. This change requires men aged 18 to 30 to serve at least 1 year of military service. The law also restricts men from leaving Russia once they receive a conscription summons. On September 30, 2024, President Vladimir Putin signed a decree for the autumn draft, conscripting 133,000 men aged 18 to 30 for 12 months of service within Russia. Officials stated that these conscripts would not be deployed to the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. Israel. In June 2024, Israel's Supreme Court mandated that the ultra-Orthodox community, traditionally exempt from military service for religious studies, must now be conscripted. This decision aims to promote equality and address military personnel needs amid ongoing conflicts. The ruling has faced strong opposition from ultra-Orthodox leaders and could impact the stability of Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's coalition government. These developments reflect each nation's efforts to adapt their military conscription policies in response to current security challenges and demographic considerations. Female conscription exists in several countries, either as mandatory service alongside men or as part of selective recruitment policies. Here's an overview. Countries with female conscription. 1. Israel. Women are required to serve in the military starting at age 18, with a service duration of 24 months, shorter than men's 32 months. Exemptions include marriage, pregnancy, religious observance, or certain health conditions. Many women serve in combat roles, though a significant proportion are in support or administrative positions. 2. Norway. Since 2015, Norway has had universal conscription regardless of gender. Both men and women undergo mandatory military service, typically for 12 months. The focus is on equality, with both genders contributing equally to national defense. 3. Sweden reintroduced conscription in 2018, applicable to both men and women. About 4,000 conscripts are selected annually for military service based on aptitude and interest, regardless of gender. Service lasts between 9 and 12 months. 4. North Korea. Mandatory military service for women typically lasts up to 7 years, starting from age 18. Women are conscripted into non-combat and support roles, though some may serve in combat units. 5. China. Selective conscription laws apply to both men and women, but in practice, China relies on volunteers. Women are primarily recruited for specialized roles, such as medical, technical, or administrative positions. 6. Eritrea. National service is mandatory for both men and women, starting at 18 years of age. Women are often conscripted into the military or assigned to civic duties like teaching or administration. Service duration is officially 18 months but often extends indefinitely due to ongoing national security concerns. 7. Taiwan. While Taiwan primarily relies on voluntary enlistment, women are included in the conscription process for specialized roles if required. 8. Kuwait. Women are required to serve in the military in non-combat roles, such as nursing or administrative positions. This policy aims to boost equality in civic duties. Key considerations. In most countries, exemptions or alternatives, such as civil service, are available for both men and women under certain conditions. Countries like Norway and Sweden emphasize gender equality as a primary reason for including women in conscription, while nations like North Korea and Eritrea use conscription to address broader national security or resource issues. Debate and legislative proposals. Legal challenges and recommendations. In 2019, a federal court ruled that excluding women from the selective service was unconstitutional, as it violated equal protection rights. However, this ruling did not lead to immediate changes in the law. The National Commission on Military, National, and Public Service, established by Congress, issued a report in 2020 recommending that women should also be required to register for the selective service to promote equality and expand the pool of potential draftees. Congressional proposals. Recent versions of the National Defense Authorization Act, NDAA, have included provisions to expand selective service registration to women, but these proposals have faced significant opposition and have not been enacted. The primary arguments for including women are rooted in gender equality and national preparedness, while opposition often cites cultural, ethical, or logistical concerns. Supreme Court. In 2021, the U.S. Supreme Court declined to hear a case challenging the constitutionality of male-only draft registration, citing that Congress was actively reviewing the issue. Future prospects. The inclusion of women in the selective service remains a contentious issue. While there is growing support for gender equity in this area, legislative and cultural hurdles have prevented its implementation. Any change would require an act of Congress to amend the Military Selective Service Act.
Thank you for watching. Please share the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Check out other series including 10-minute synopses or complete audiobooks on Hennessy Hendo on YouTube. Improve your vocabulary. Be more fun at parties. Increase your knowledge. Become a literary master like Hendo.